In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to text on Jane app 2025 step by step. If you've ever needed a quick, secure way to reach your clinic or provider, the Jane app's messaging feature makes that simple. I'll walk you through the full process from opening the app to checking replies, along with practical tips to keep your messages clear and timely. First, open the Jane app on your device. Make sure you're connected to the internet and that the app is up to date for the smoothest experience. If prompted, sign in as you normally do and wait for the home screen to load. Next, go to Messages. Depending on your layout, you'll typically find it in the navigation bar at the bottom or in a menu labeled Messages or Inbox. This is your central hub for all conversations with your clinic or provider. If you see existing threads, you can pick up where you left off, or you can start a new conversation if needed. Now select a provider. You may see a list of practitioners or clinics you're connected with. Tap the correct provider or clinic so your message goes to the right place. If you're unsure who to message, choose the general clinic thread so the team can direct it internally. Time to compose your message. Keep it short, specific, and helpful. Include details like your appointment date, the reason you're reaching out, or any symptoms you want to flag. Be mindful of privacy. Share only what's necessary for care, and avoid sensitive data that isn't required. Polite, to the point messages tend to get the fastest, clearest responses. If you're following up on a previous conversation, reference it briefly so your provider has context. When you're ready, send the message. Tap the send icon and give it a moment to process. If you see a sending indicator, wait until it's complete to avoid duplicates. If the message doesn't send, check your connection and try again. Finally, check replies. Return to the messages area to view new responses. You may see a badge or notification when a reply arrives. For quick access, enable notifications for the Jane app in your device settings so you don't miss updates. Response times vary by clinic, especially outside business hours. For urgent or time-sensitive issues, use your clinic's recommended urgent contact method rather than messaging. That's the full workflow. Open the app, head to messages, choose the right provider, compose clearly, send confidently, and monitor for replies. Follow these steps and you'll navigate Jane's messaging feature with ease. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you communicate smoothly with your care team.